At Restore Things, we believe that even the most valuable machines can be forgotten by time. Sometimes, it's not cheap or broken vehicles that are left behind. Sometimes, even the most expensive creations are abandoned and consumed by nature. Deep inside a dense jungle, far from civilization, something completely unexpected waits in silence. Hidden among mud, vines, and rust, a luxury Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG sits motionless. Once a symbol of power and wealth, it is now trapped in wet ground, its body eaten away by corrosion, its identity almost erased. The jungle has slowly claimed it, season after season, turning prestige into decay. Up close, the damage is shocking. Thick rust covers areas that were once perfectly engineered. Mud fills the wheel arches, moss grows across the doors, and moisture has crept into every seam. This isn't just dirt, it's years of neglect. For most people, this would be impossible to restore. A vehicle like this would be written off, forgotten, and left to disappear completely. But restoration is not about how something looks today, it's about what it can become. The same mechanic appears, the one who never changes his approach or his patience. He walks slowly around the vehicle, studying every panel, every flaw. His hand touches the rusted metal, not with disappointment, but with understanding. He doesn't see a ruined luxury SUV. He sees a challenge worth taking. In that moment, the decision is made. This G63 will not be left behind. Recovering a vehicle like this from the jungle is no simple task. The SUV is deeply sunk into mud, as if the earth itself refuses to let go. Heavy recovery straps are secured, the lifter is positioned, and every movement is calculated. Slowly, the Mercedes begins to rise. Mud drips from the chassis, vines snap free, and after years of being trapped, the vehicle is finally released. It's loaded carefully onto a recovery truck, leaving the jungle behind, damaged, but no longer abandoned. When the garage doors open, the atmosphere changes. Warm light fills the space as the G63 is placed on the platform. This is where real restoration begins. Piece by piece, the vehicle is disassembled. Panels are removed, components separated, and nothing is rushed. Every part has a purpose, and every detail matters. Organization and patience define the process. The deep cleaning reveals the true condition of the vehicle. High-pressure water strips away layers of mud and dirt, exposing the metal beneath. There's no hiding from the damage now. Rust removal follows, slow, repetitive, demanding work. Brushes, tools, and chemicals work together to reclaim the steel. Each clean surface feels like progress earned, not given. As the metal is polished, reflections return. What was once dull and lifeless begins to shine again. This is the turning point, the moment when destruction starts giving way to renewal. The paint booth marks a fresh beginning. Layer by layer, deep glossy black paint restores the vehicle's identity. The G63 starts to look powerful again, exactly as it was designed to be. Reassembly is where everything comes together. Every bolt tightened, every panel aligned, every component tested. This isn't just rebuilding, it's restoring trust in the machine. When the final details are completed, the transformation is undeniable. The Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG stands fully restored, flawless, and reborn. From a luxury icon lost in the jungle to a masterpiece restored with patience and skill, this journey proves one thing: value is never truly lost if someone is willing to restore it. This is what we do at Restore Things. We don't just fix machines. We bring forgotten stories back to life.